Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you why do you want to trade in the stock market. Now I will cover up this question in this video. So I want to ask you, why do you want to trade in the stock market? Why do you want to start trading in the stock market? Are you what is the reason behind this? Now when I begin to trade in the stock market, I have learned like with me it started with low capital, and it required and there is less loss in the stock market as I've experienced it up till now. Those were my experience up till now because I didn't have huge amount of capital that other businesses required. So I've started this with minimum of maybe 200 dollars US dollars. I'm currently trading in Pakistani rupees, PKR. So I would mention that in dollars, it uh, winds up about till to 200 and something dollars, US dollars. Yeah. So that was the total capital required to start trading in the stock market. I don't know about your country how much capital it's required, but in my country it's especially this. So why do you start trading in the stock market? First of all, when I started, when I've heard about the stock market, I've heard it from a movie. I've saw it in a movie that a person became rich by trading stocks. So so I got inspired from that and started trading in the stock market because I knew this would be a better business. So I saw that and started reading books, started studying about the stock market, what's happening in the stock market, and now after 1 year I'm now trading in the stock market and making profit. So that was my experience now, because when I saw the stock market, I said to myself that it's a better business. It requires less capital, and it requires less capital to start, although with less capital there will be less profit. That's also a thing. Less capital equal to less profit. Now this can sometimes be true, but sometimes false, because I have less capital. It does not always that less capital would give you less amount of profits. Sometimes less capital would give you much more profit than anything else. So I'm just saying this, that I had less capital, I made much money with it, but now I'm trading, my capital is huge but my profits are less. Why? Because the stock market has went up now. It's now trading in its highest. So in that situation, uh, support and resistance level in some of the cases, I could not make a better trade. That's my mistake, because I have huge capital and make less profits now. So so in the beginning I would one time I made much more profit, about 60% or something. Yeah, I made a profit, and the second time I made very less. So 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 those are the things that you'll have to keep in mind. So why do you want to trade in the stock market? Why? I've told you my reason, and do you see it as a better business? I wrote it short, in short form. Or do you say that it's a better business, or do you say that do you want to start it for as a side hustle? In both of these cases, what do you want to do? I didn't start it for a side hustle. I thought of this one. I thought of the first one as a better business, because I didn't have a job at that time. Now I have a job. I'm also going to job. I'm regularly, and now I use this as a side hustle. The stock exchange as a side hustle. I trade stocks because now, as I have a stream of income now, which is my job. So I also make profit out of it, but I also make profit out of this the stock market, out of the stocks. But I also trade in the I also do my job, and that income is also coming to me now. I don't have to worry about anything. So there, these are the two reasons. This was the reason that I've started trading in the stock market. Now you may start it because of a side hustle, or don't start it until you fully understand what's happening in the stock market, because I didn't lost money. To be honest with you, I didn't lost anybody in the stock market. I haven't been through any losses. So it doesn't mean that I won't face losses. Yes, when I purchase a share, those shares go into losses, but I haven't closed my position. They Those shares came back to their actual price that I've bought, my purchase price, and then from that I wait until it give me profit and sell those shares. Now that's a big mistake of mine. I will explain that to you in the coming videos. So I've started. So this video up till now I've started my as a better business, because I saw this. It requires less hassle, and once you invest in the stock market, invest in a certain stock, you invest that it would go up in price, and if it does go up in price, you profit from it. But if it goes down, you make a loss. So to prevent that loss, you'll have to do risk management and all that stuff. So that's why I'm saying, do not invest in the stock market, do not trade in the stock market unless you fully understand what's happening in the stock market. How do you trade in the stock market? So do not trade in the stock market unless you fully understand this, unless you know why do you want to start trading in the stock market or the forex market, both. Maybe some people say that instead of saving, invest. So that's also a great idea, but fully understand why. How will you make your first investment in the stock market? Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.